Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson, we continue with 3 more letters. I want you to be able to read and write, and for that, you have to master the alphabet. And I will link in the description box below more lessons that I've already done in the past, so you can watch them as well. And in this lesson, we will learn the letters Zain, Khet, and Tet. So, תרגול אותיות, let us practice. Zain, this is Zain. Khet, this is Khet. And Tet, this is Tet. And as you see, this is Patach, Za. This is Tsere, Che. And this is also Tsere, Te. And I will put a link to my lesson about Nikud if you forgot, if you don't know. And let's start it. So, I'm moving in Hebrew. Ani zaz. This is a man speaking. Ani zaz. If I, as a woman, you would have said Ani zaza. But first, let's see, because I want you to learn by heart the alphabet. So, Ani zaz. Zain, Zain. Ani is I. Important word. Ani. Zaz. 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 And let's see. Arrogant. Zakhu'aakh. Zain. Chet. The Vav, we learn this. And again, Chet. Zakho'akh. Zakho'akh. This is Patach Gnuva in the end. Sound of Ach. And this is Kamatz. Sound of Ah. Zakho'akh. So arrogant is Zakho'akh. See, Zain, Zain. Zain, Chet, Chet. Thistle, Crevice. Don't touch it. All right, because it will, it's not soft. So in Hebrew, it is Kho'akh. Kho'akh. This is Chet, this is Vav, yes, and this is Chet again, Patach Gnuva. Kho'akh. Kho'akh. Tusk. This is what the elephant has, right? The ivory, beautiful, elongated thing. So tusk in Hebrew is Khat. One is Khat. Plural is Chitim or Chatim. But for now, we want to master the alphabet. So this is Chet, and this is Tet. Khat. Khat. And mustiness or dampness, this green thing, like moistened, that is Takhav. Bet, we learned this because Alef, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, right? So in the past, we learned this. And this is Tet, and this is Chet. Takhav. 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 And he won. Who? It's he, right? And Zakha. Again, Za'in. And hey, we learn this. Vav, we learn this. Alef. Who? Zakha. From the verb lizkot, to win. Zakha. And Kaf, we will learn this, but bear this in mind. And hey, we learn this. So it's okay and nice to go all over, go again and remember what we learned in the past. So, Zain, who? Zakha, he won. And she won, I would say, he zakhta, zakhta. But first, most important, Zain. So, Ani zaz, Ani zaz, Zakho'akh. Zakho'akh. Like Ani Zakho'akh, hu Zakho'akh, ata Zakho'akh. Kho'akh, Kho'akh, Kho'akh. Khat, Khat, Khat. Takhav, Takhav, Takhav. Hu Zakha, Hu Zakha. So that was Zain, Chet, and Tet. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.